Let's talk about the equipment associated with each of these layers. Layers 4, 5, 6, and 7, all of that takes place in your computer. So a server, a PC, a laptop, a phone, and so forth, end user equipment, that's where these layers take place. Routers are used at the network layer. So routers put on and take off IP addresses as they pass information from one router to another. And so we call a router a layer 3 device. We call a switch a layer 2 device. It puts on and takes off local addresses, such as MAC addresses, and there are a few other layer 2 addresses that we'll talk about later in the course. So switches are considered a layer 2 device. Layer 1 devices, wire, radio signals, fiber optic, NIC or network interface card, that's the thing you plug into or that sends signals out from your computer, your phone, and so forth. Hubs are, we'll talk about what hubs are later on in the course in more detail, and repeaters. All of these are layer 1 devices.